Here's your savory recipe for gluten-free chocolate coconut sandwich cookies. Mix the cocoa powder, salt, and almond flour in a bowl. In another bowl, cream the butter and brown sugar with an electric mixer. Add the egg and mix. Then add the dry ingredients and mix until it forms a dough. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap and chill for 1 hour. Dust a clean work surface with gluten-free flour and roll out the dough into a 1/4 inch thick square. Cut out 40 cookies. You can also use 2 pieces of parchment paper to roll out your dough. Place the cookies on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Bake for about 15 minutes until crisp. While the cookies are baking, make the filling. Mix coconut oil, confectioner's sugar, and shredded coconut until creamy. Drop about a tablespoon of filling on half of the cookies and then top with remaining cookies. Press gently so that the filling is visible along the edges. And that's all it takes to make a delicious, savory treat.